Hello everyone, welcome to my new video. So this is how to change your YouTube profile icon on your phone or tablet. So you go to your profile on YouTube. So we're on the YouTube app, we've clicked on profile, then we're going to go on the home bit and click on settings. And now there's a button to change your profile picture at the top. You can either take a photo or choose one from library. Here's a demo of me taking a photo. So I have got a black screen because I put my phone face down when taking a photo. So I have got a black screen because that's how your picture comes out. So that is on purpose, guys, but obviously you can take a photo of yourself, or you can do it like this where you choose your photo from your gallery on your phone. So I'm just going to pick one here. I know this photo isn't perfect, it's just for a demo. So you position it to where you want. Click save, and then once you've done, click back. Once it's loaded, a little message pops up at the bottom to say that it's done. Click back and boom, you're done. That is how you change it on your phone or tablet. That's it, guys. Make sure you hit that subscribe button for more good content coming soon.